Hey guys, how's it going? This is the HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be a package opening. This is a parcel that I got in from Draukan. He runs Lockfall Laboratories. I've been anticipating this for a long time, and I'm just so excited to get it open, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I'm going to open up this box in just a minute. Please stay tuned. Alright, so let's get this box open right now. So I'm going to just make a couple cuts where the tape is, and hopefully we'll be able to get this open rather easily. I have been so excited for this box to come in, and I am so happy to be able to share it with everyone in real time. So let's see what we got on the inside. Alright, so the box is completely empty, and now we have a few nicely wrapped items. Let's see. Got 1 and 2. So let me see what the smaller one is first. This is the custom tweezers that Draukan made. So if you remember, I entered the giveaway that he was having for his prototype pinning tray. And these are the custom tweezers, I believe, that Draukan likes to use, and these are really cool. I like that they have the little tip on the bottom here so you can really reach in and be able to grab some pens. And these ones look like they have a good reach too. They aren't really rounded like pinning tweezers, but they should be really fun. Now, opening up this one is the pinning tray that I won from the competition, and below it looks like it's the pinning tray that I purchased. So I entered that competition and I was able to win one of his prototype trays. You can see it has his logo Lockfall on it. This is an aluminum pinning tray. This is really cool. In order to compare it, I will take the pinning tray that you've seen in the majority of my videos and lay it on top, and you can see the size difference. This is a really cool tray, and I just cannot wait to try it out. When you look at the back, you can see designed by Tumblr in California, prototype number 005. Draukan, I am so happy to have won your contest, and this is just such a really cool tray to own. Now, moving on to the next item in the box. This is the tray that I actually purchased from him. This tray is quite expensive. It was a little over $170 with shipping. It is made out of copper. It feels substantially heavier than this aluminum one, but it is just really cool. You can see he was able to put my logo onto the top. You can see HelpfulLockPicker. And this is just going to be such a really cool tray to own. So he has a custom machine, a CNC machine. I'm not exactly sure what that stands for, but it is able to mass produce these trays rather quickly. These trays are for sale if you are interested in checking them out. I can put a link in the description below if you'd like to check them out. But I am really excited to start using this tray. I'm going to really enjoy it. I think this is a beautiful looking tray. I really enjoy the copper look. You can get his pinning trays in both copper, brass, and aluminum. These are going to be really cool trays to have, and I'll be really excited to see how they take off in the community. Are people going to like them? Are people not going to like them? They are a little bit expensive, but I really think that this tray is just a really cool thing to have if you just want to spoil yourself and invest a little bit of money into something that you will enjoy. This is going to be probably the tray that I'm going to use going forward, and I just want to say, Draukan, thank you so much for making this. So when you look at the back, it will say the same, designed by Tumblr in California. This is his serial number 003, made in the USA, and you can check it out at lockfall.com. It has some grips on the back. I hope to do a more formal review and overview of these trays down the road, but today is just a really quick unboxing. I still cannot believe how beautiful these trays are. They are really lustrous. They are just a very solid construction, and they are just something that are just really fun to have. I just cannot believe how well these came out. Draukan, once again, thank you so much for everything that you do. I really enjoy the tray, and I look forward to checking them out in the future and seeing how people enjoy them. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has just been a really cool unboxing of a pinning tray that I won in the competition, and then the pinning tray that I have purchased myself. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.